Welcome to MathZip. Today's topic quadratic equation. We are starting question 2. Let's get started. 2a x plus y whole square equals to 9. So these kinds of math we are doing a common mistake. What? Like now our target to find out the value of x. So this case we will try to square root both sides. It means here is x plus 1 whole square and square root equals to here root 9, right? But once square root done, it means x plus 1 we are writing plus minus 3, but it's a wrong thing. Root 9 always 3. Please note that. So how can we solve this one? Look, x plus 1 whole square equals to 9. This one, once we make square root, it will be x plus 1 equal plus minus root 9, not plus minus 3. Okay, root 9 always 3, not plus minus 3. But once we make square root, that time this 9 become plus minus root 9. Okay, it's not a same thing. Next, here we have to find out the value of x. So x equals to plus minus root 9 minus 1. Now if plus this case x equals to plus root 9 minus 1, then root 9 it means 3 minus 1, so answer will be 2. Same if negative, that case x equals to minus root 9 minus 1 minus root 9, it means 3 minus 1, so answer is minus 4. So this equation, our answer x equals to either minus 4 or 2. Okay, so very simple. So number A of 2 done. Number B, 2x plus 1 whole square equals to 16. So same thing, we will square root both sides, then 2x plus 1 equals to plus minus 16, right? So this case we can write 2x equals to plus minus 16 minus 1. Then we can divide both sides by 2, so x equals to plus minus root 16 minus 1 by 2. Okay, now if positive, so x equals to root 16 minus 1 by 2. Then root 16 it means 4 minus 1 divide 2. So ultimately we will get 4 minus 1, it's a 3 by 2, and this is a improper fraction. We can write 1 by 2. Very simple. If negative, this case x equals to minus root 16 minus 1 divide 2. Then minus root 16 it means 4 minus 1 divide 2. Then minus 4 and minus 1 it will be minus 5 and then 2. So it's an improper fraction. We can write minus 2 1 by 2. Very simple, right? So number B done. Number C, 5x minus 4 whole square equals to 89. So once we make a square root, it will be 5x minus 4 equals to, not, look, root 89, it should be 9, but once this equation we are doing square root, it should be like plus minus a root over 8 9. Okay, then be careful about this one. 5x, we will add both side by 4, so plus minus a root 81 plus 4. Now we will divide both side by 5, so x equals to root of plus minus root over 81 plus 4 divide 5. Okay, now if positive, so x equals to, here is plus, so 81 plus 4 divide 5. Now 81, root 81 means 9 plus 4 divide 5. So 9 plus 4 is a 13 by 5. 13 by 5. So it's a improper fraction. We can write 2 3 by 5. Right? It's a positive. If negative, then we can write x equals to, here minus root over 81 plus 4 divide 5, then minus root 81, it means 9 plus 4 divide 5, then minus 9 plus 4, it will be minus 5 divide 5. So we can divide 5 by 5, it will be 1. So our answer is minus 1. So finally we will get answer x equals to either minus 1 or 2 3 by 5. Okay, it's a very simple. So number A, B, C done. Number D, 7 minus 3x whole square equals to 9 divide 16. Now we will square root both sides. This case we can write 7 minus 3x equals to, plus minus, it will be 9 by 16. We can write square both sides. Right? So this one we can write subtract both sides by minus 7. So minus 3x equals to plus minus root over 9 by 16 minus 7. Okay, and then we can divide both sides by minus 3. So we can write x equals to, as usual, here is plus minus root over 9 by 16 minus 7, and here is minus 3. Okay, now we will find out actual value of x. Now one by one we try to solve this one. Here is plus minus, right? And this fraction, if positive, then x equals to, here is simple, root over 9 by 16 minus 7 divide minus 3. Okay, then root 9, it means 3, root 16, it's a 4, minus 7 minus 3. Now we can make LCM 4, 3 minus 4 times 7 is a 28, right? And till here is minus 3. Now 3 minus 28, it will be minus 25 by 4 minus 3. Now once we divide a fraction by another fraction, next fraction will be flipped. This case, minus 25 divide 4 times this minus will become to denominator, it means minus 3. So minus and minus, it will be out. Here is 25 and 4 times 3 is a 12, right? So this one we can write 25 by 12, right? Not 24. 4 times 3 is a 12, and it's an improper fraction. We can write 1 by 12. Okay, it's a very simple thing. This is, we are getting the value of x once the fraction is positive. Next, if negative, that time x equals to, here minus, because here is plus minus, we already get the value of positive number, and here is minus root over 9 by 16 minus 7 and minus 3. So same thing, minus root 9, it means 3, root 16 is a 4, minus 7 minus 3. Then make LCM, 4 minus 3, and then minus 4 times 7 is a 28, divide minus 3. Now minus 3 and minus 28 is a minus 31, divide 4, and here is minus 3. Next, minus 31 divide 4 times 1 by minus 3. Same minus and minus out. So here is 4 times 3 is a 12, and here is 31. So answer will be what? 2 times 12 is a 24, it means 2, 7 by 21. So finally we get answer x equals to either 1 by 2 or 1 by 12 and 2 7 by 12. This is our answer. Thank you. So number A, B, C, D done. Thank you very much for being with me. Next video we will start from number E. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section, and don't forget share with others. Thank you.